Hey Java learners, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to see the inbuilt methods of Java of arrays. Okay, yeah, so array provide a lot of inbuilt methods. Using that we can solve the tricky questions and tricky problems in really easy steps. Okay, so and yeah, we are heading to the great concepts and typical problems in array. And yeah, and let me clear you that if you are not accessing my playlist of HackerRank, so I've created the new playlist that in that I'm going to solve all the problems of HackerRank. HackerRank is a great platform of solving Java programs from beginners to advanced. Okay, so let's see the first method, that is copy of. Okay, so first inbuilt method of array, that is copy of, and what it does, so it copies one element of one array into another. Okay, so let's declare one array, suppose A, and 10, 45, 66, 2300, 80, 203. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, so we have declared an array, initialized it, and then I need to copy the element of the array A into array B. Okay, yeah, but the copy of we can copy this elements of array using many ways, like you can use the for loops and then trace complete array, but that is the older way. Okay, if now you are have a great familiar with arrays, you can do so to increase the productivity. Okay, you need to use the methods which array already provides you. So we'll use the copy of. Okay, how we'll use? We'll use the arrays class. See, arrays is a class. Okay, it start from capital A. Array is a class, provides in util package, provides by. See, I imported. So no use. It's also a class. We can use this collection class to sort, to reverse array. And we'll see this in when we'll go for doing collection programs. Okay, collections is a great concept, so we'll see later. Okay, so now yes, arrays, then dot, you can see it's saying me copy of. Okay, copy of. Okay, yeah, and it accepts two parameter. The first one is A. What is A? A is a array that we already declared, from which we need to copy the element. Okay, and the second one is length of that array. So length of this array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, or you can write A dot length simply. Okay, then let's traverse. Let's print. Okay, so let's use a for each loop. I colon B sys out I. What it do? I'm sure you all know for each loop. Okay, let's print. Okay, yes. Okay, so you can see I'm printing B, array B. Okay, and the output I'm getting is 10, 45, 66, 23, 180 and 203, the same as A. That means we have copied the elements of array A successfully to array B. Let's do with debugging. Let's execute line by line. Okay, that gets a clear understanding. So okay, yeah, control stops here because we have break the point. We have used the breakpoint. And let's step over. Okay, so as this line execute, we can just hover on the B and you can see the elements got copied. B of 0, B of 1 and B of 6 is 203. Okay, so in this way we'll use the copy of element. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to show the another methods, that is sort and the few more binary searches, because that is really important in competitive exam problems. Okay, so in the next video, it's getting a little bit longer, so in the next video I'll cover two methods and then we'll move to binary searches methods. Okay, so hope you enjoyed it, and let's meet in the next video.